Welcome, in front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how many RAM slots this device has. To check it, let's hold down the taskbar and open the Task Manager application, then go to the Performance section and select the Memory tab right here. And if you take a look down here, I'm not sure if I can increase the size of it, but if you take a look down here, you'll be able to see the form factor of your memory, which is row of chips for this device, and slots used. And because the form factor is row of chips, that means that your device doesn't really use RAM slots. It also means that your RAM is irreplaceable on this device, and the slots used is 8 of 8, but this doesn't mean that your device has 8 RAM slots. It means that it has a separate slot for each chip. So basically this device has 0 RAM slots because it doesn't use any. Instead it uses RAM chips, but technically 8 RAM chips are equal to 2 RAM sticks. So basically you could tell that this device has 2 RAM slots installed. But generally the RAM is irreplaceable on this device, so and it doesn't use RAM slots or RAM sticks whatsoever. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.